What up, YouTube fam? This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm up in this bang, man. You know what it is, man. I'm coming to you today to let you know a little bit about this new Theragun Mini, and we're gonna talk about this Hypervolt GO. Both of these things, awesome massagers, man. They carry their weight, man. Have your boy feeling like, yeah, like that, man. Just straight flexing, man. Getting my stuff together, you know what I'm saying? These things make a brother feel real relaxed, though, man. We're gonna talk first about this Hypervolt GO. It's made by Hyperice, man. What's included in this Hypervolt GO is 2 interchangeable heads. It comes with this flat, head right here, bam. And it comes with this attachment right here. Very direct. You're gonna definitely feel it. It gets in there, those tight areas, man. When you got a lot of blubber or whatever, and you wanna get down, you wanna penetrate, this right here gonna do it. Bam, it's gonna get in there like that. Some tech features of this thing, man. It's brushless high torque motor, 40-watt motor, patented quiet glide technology. As you can hear, these things are super quiet. It has 3 different speed settings, 2 interchangeable head attachments, as said, 18-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery, lightweight, easy to use. Again, this baby is only 1.5 pounds. Super quiet. You hear that? 2, 3. Super quiet, man. 30% smaller than the Hypervolt, which is the other one, which is like $3.99. This one right here runs 199 bucks in Best Buy. It also comes with some different additional plug adapters for depending on what area you live in. You can see those plug adapters right there. But I just use the one for the good old US of A, man. That's the one I got plugged in the wall right now, as a matter of fact. So that's the one I'm concerned about. Okay, it doesn't come with a case or anything like that. You just get this baby here. It has 3 different color bands. One band right here, it has 3 different colors. Green when it's fully charged. This color, then it has red to let you know, hey, we about to be out of here, okay? So this is it, man. We're gonna start with a little bit of massaging right here. Let's you wanna hold that down for a couple seconds. It lights up, hit it, get it going. All right, man. So let's hit this bicep up right here. I'm just trying to let it relax a little bit. Gonna put it on number 2. Now the thing that I like about, let's see, as you can see right here on the bottom, it lets you know what speed you're on right there. You got 1, 2, 3, off. You gotta hold it down and start all over again. All right. Now we're on 1, 2. All right, let's hit it. And that feels very good, guys. It's very direct. It's getting in that tight muscle, you know, when the muscle is tight, you want to get in a real, very precise spot. This is getting in there. It allows you to put that pressure right where you want it. Oh my God, it's working right around that bicep, right there to the front of the bicep, and it's feeling so good. Allows you to get right in those areas. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so it's applying, it's doing exactly what I needed to do. I'm gonna take it right here. So what I don't like is that being that this head is so small, it's hard to just move it. Ow, freaking A, goodness. That thing caught my skin some kind of way. Woo. So make sure you don't be sideways with it. Apply direct force. And being that it's so small, 1 second, guys. All right, there we go. All right, so being that it's so small, there we go. It might not move as easy, so it might be good to probably put a little lubricant on this thing so it can glide a little easier across your skin. So be sure to kind of keep your skin not so loose if you can. And it might move a little bit better. Oh, that's so direct. Look how I hit that chest muscle. Get right there on the side of the chest. Stretch that chest out, hit it some more. Go across that chest. Ah, it feels so good. All right, so we're gonna switch over to this other head right here. We're gonna see how better this one feels compared to that one. Now, what I don't like off the bat of this one is how flat it is. Just so flat. I mean, it's gonna be, make sure you snap it in there all the way too, gang. All right. There you go. There we go. Make sure that thing is in there good. All right, gang. So, start off with that attachment. I mean, it's covering a whole lot of space. I love a more direct approach. So we're gonna take this thing up a notch. So this one here, you gotta, now if you let your skin be loose, it's gonna slap the skin, guys, because it's so fat, so wide. So you wanna kind of keep the skin nice and stretched out a little bit with this attachment here. And keep it nice and straight, because with it going this fast, you don't wanna leave no room for slack, or it's gonna feel like it's pinching from where it's moving so fast against your skin. So make sure you apply good pressure when using this. It feels good though. Oh, goodness. You see that? So it's gonna cover more area. If you don't have like a direct, area of concern, you just wanna give that muscle group a good massage, this would be the attachment for that, because it's just gonna hit a whole lot more area and apply that force to that area to give you relaxation. But yeah, that feels good right there. We're gonna bump it up a notch. Right now we on number 3. Move around to this tricep. So one of the things that I don't like so much with this one is the size of it. With the size of it, you know, it's just hard for me to get right here in the back of my shoulder. This is an area of concern. The reason why I decided to get a massager, okay? So that's why I decided to get the Theragun Mini, because of this one here. It's hard to get like that. So they do have one that has a V shape here, which would allow you to hold it like so. Imagine there being a bar here and I'm holding it like that. I'll be able to hold it like that. So that's one that I might get next. I might return the Theragun Mini. For that, I'll have to see. I have to try it out in the store, or get it, try it out at the house and see which one works better, which is more convenient as far as the feeling in my hand, okay? So we're gonna hit this a little bit just to see how this flat one does. Let's hit the calf a little bit. Remember, keep the skin tight. Oh, this feels real good, gang. This feels good, man. I'm telling you, man, this feels real good, okay? Like I say, with this flat piece, it's for just a general massage, man. It's gonna cover a lot more space and allow you to get that force applied to those areas of concern. Oh, that feels so good, hitting right there against the shin. Just right there on top of that calf, inner calf head. Oh gosh. Look at that. Got the whole calf muscle jumping, man. Yeah, this feels good, gang, I'm telling you. All right, so we're gonna move on over here to the Theragun Mini. It feels so good. I'm talking about moving, but I ain't moved yet. You see that? Oh man, it's crazy. So right now we are on number 3. All right, so let's go over here to the Theragun Mini. I'm gonna try the Theragun Mini, let you guys see what's going on with the Theragun Mini, okay? Now, so far, this is my favorite. I love the convenience of the Theragun Mini. All right, so this is the box with the Theragun Mini, which can also be found at Best Buy. As you can see, it has the 3 lights right here on the side. You turn it on by holding a button. 1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights. You gotta hold it to turn it back off. If you hit it again, it'll just go right back to number 1 and keep on moving. What's included in this package is you have your Theragun Mini pouch. You have the Theragun Mini massager, and you have the Theragun Mini power adapter, as you can see right there, which is currently over here plugged up in the wall. So actually it's right here, okay? Theragun Mini adapter, okay? All right, so everything about this is compact, man. I love the way this thing feels. It's pretty dope. I bought it because, I mean, you can get back here in your back you can hit that muscle group real good. And also the head is attachable. You can swap out the attachments. You can go to their website, order more attachments that are more suiting to what your injuries or massage needs are. So just keep that in mind. Visit their website, see what's available, and keep it moving from there. But okay, we're gonna crank this baby up. We're gonna put it on 2. I'm gonna throw it right back here on my back just so you can see how I'm able to reach back there. With a little assistance, like so, a little crossbar arm technique, you're able to help push that arm around and still hold this up and down, straight up against your back so that you can get that proper massage in that you're looking for. So, and it feels real good. This is amazing. All right, so I like that I can throw this in my bag, take it with me on the go, use it at work. Whenever I'm feeling a little sore, I can whip it out and just go to work with it, man. And you can see how it's hitting that shoulder right there. And this head is a cushion type head, like a I wouldn't say styrofoam, more like a hard foam. It has a little bit of give. It's not too hard. It's like just perfect. I got it on 3 right here. And man, you can see that thing go to work. Everything's jumping right there. So sore, man. It's hitting those areas. It's just hard to stretch out. Just put this thing on there and it loosens it right on up. I'm feeling real good. Let's hold this arm up. Let's get this chest a little bit. Feels real good. Holding it is comfortable. As you can see, I got a firm grip on it like so. It's not going anywhere. It even has a look like a lanyard slot where you can probably put a lanyard in there or something. Put it around your wrist so that you can make sure you don't drop it or anything. But man, that feels so good, guys. I'm telling you, ladies too, feels amazing. Couldn't go wrong with this, baby. Oh my God, my chest is so sore. Goodness. See, I went hard on Monday, man. Not necessarily too hard, but hard enough to where I'm sore right now. So, oh my goodness. That feels so good. You see, that's what it does when it make you kind of scratch your skin a little bit when you're beating that skin, that friction. So if you lubricate your skin just a little bit with a light oil, you can avoid that feeling. I've done that and I didn't feel it at all. So that's something to keep in mind. All right, so let's see how it does on the calf. We're gonna put the calf up here like we did with the other one. I'm gonna bump this thing up a little bit. 3. All right, check it out. Let's see how so that thing gets deep. You see that? It's not slowing down. You can hear it. It's maintaining its speed and everything and supplying that pressure. That torque is unbelievable with the lithium battery. It keeps that motor turning, okay? So these are your little cheap massages. You go to Best Buy, you get what you pay for. And you can return it with a warranty, no problem at all. I bought the warranty with this, 2-year warranty, so I can return it. If I have any issues with it, no questions asked. So I have peace of mind when I shop with those guys, man. I've got to give it to Best Buy on that one. But yeah, this feels amazing, okay? Amazing, okay? And ladies, it's not for that, okay? Don't get this thinking that you can massage everything. I mean, you might be able to. I ain't seen it yet, but who knows? But it ain't for that. You go online, you might find an attachment, a third-party attachment for this thing. Who knows, man? This world we in today. But look at that, man. It's going to work. It ain't slowing down. 2 hours of non-stop massaging. Now, as far as what setting to get that 2 hours, I'm betting it's on 1, but you can get up to 120 minutes of massaging with this baby here. Oh my God, that feels so good. This thing is amazing, man. I'm telling you. Again, you can't go wrong with either one, man. I had to bring them to you both. That's why I have both of them. As you can see, still got both of them. My wife likes using this one here. I like using the Mini. So, oh my God, that thing is killing it, boy. Sheesh. You couldn't see that, but it's killing the thigh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And look at that. It's like it's floating when you look at it. It's moving so fast. I can't believe how sore I am right here. It's like really getting in there. You can probably, yeah, it just made my foot move. It's hitting everything in there. Activating muscles that I ain't even thought to activate. It's making stuff move on its own. It's got my foot moving side to side. It's crazy. Hitting those ligaments and stuff. Goodness. This little thing here is a monster, man. Amazing massager. I had to bring it to you guys. I had to come to you and give you my opinion on the both of them. They're both awesome massagers. If I was to tell you to get one over the other, both same price, $199 in Best Buy, I would tell you to go with the Theragun Mini simply because it's smaller, more compact, 3-speed, 1750, 2100, and 2400 RPM. There's the 3 different speeds you can get with this thing. Let's see. Yeah. These things are amazing, man. Amazing. But yeah, man, you get these things at Best Buy and get straight to work on your body, man. Hit those points that you haven't been able to hit in the past. Warm yourself up in the gym with them. I mean, definitely get you one. Like I said, I recommend this one simply because of the portability of it. This one, I like it, but as you can see, when you put them side by side comparison, that's the difference in the size right there. Okay, you can see that. That's the difference in size. So that's why I like this one. I can throw it in my bag and be on the go with it. It comes with a pouch also, which is dope. The other one doesn't come with the pouch. Theragun Mini comes with a little pouch, okay? And you can order attachments for it from their website. So anyway, this is your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I had to come to you, show you how to relax a little bit. I'm going to be continue bringing you videos, man, whether it be the C10 Chevy truck, the Mercedes, the 2500 HD truck, video gaming. I got time on my hands, so I'm going to be playing some games, man. So stay tuned for that. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Trying to get it up, man. We're over 5,000 subscribers. I appreciate the love from all of you guys, man. Keep it coming. In the meantime, this is your boy, and I'm about to be up out of here, man. Peace.